Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here again. Good morning.
It's Legal Break Wednesday.
Good.
We've got an email question today, so we're going to pull it up. There's a lot to this, so bear with me as I read it. Hi, Gary. I bought uninsured motorist coverage like you suggested. I'm glad I did because I was hit by a person who didn't have insurance, but now my company won't pay a fair amount for the damage to my car or my medical bills. Do I have a case against my own insurance company? Who do I sue? Are there deadlines?
All right. Well, there's a lot to unfold there.
Yes.
So the good news is you bought the coverage, and everyone needs to have that for this very reason. The people that cause wrecks a lot of times are the ones who don't have insurance or they don't have enough. So protect yourself and your family by having the coverage you need. So that's the good news. Now, the thing people don't want to realize is the insurance company is going to treat you just like they would if making any claim. They don't, just because you paid the premium doesn't mean you get a break. But you do have certain rights under the law though. So you don't sue your insurance company directly. You have to sue and go through the whole process. It's very time consuming and takes a lot of time and money, but here's what you do. You have to set them up. You make a demand. You say, insurance company, you should have paid me all my medical bills or whatever the number is, pain and suffering. And if they don't, then you file your lawsuit like you normally would against the uninsured motorist. So you still have to sue the person who caused it, and you have to get a judgment. And then you get a judgment, you say, look, insurance company, I told you you should have paid $25,000 or $100,000 or whatever the number is, and you didn't, and the judgment and the jury said you should have. So now you have a second lawsuit, and that one's against your own insurance company. And if you set them up right and follow the statute, you can get a penalty and attorney's fees. But you have to then win a second case to get that. So you have to prove they were in bad faith or acted negligently in failing to do what they did. So but your penalty is very limited because why? Who makes the rules? The people, the insurance companies have something to do with all that. So the penalty is limited to 25%. So, on paper maybe that sounds, but it's a long time to get there. So on these first party cases with if they've acted in bad faith, you do have remedies, but it takes effort, and you got to set it up right, and you need to get a lawyer involved.
Yeah, very good, very good information, and like you said, it's a very involved question, but there's a lot to it. So
it comes
definitely
up
need to
all
talk.
the time.
Yeah,
now.
definitely need to talk to somebody about that.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so very much for that one
Thank
today,
you.
Gary, and we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.